Welcome to this training video on the Accelerated Bridge Construction Project Database, hosted by the Innovative Bridge Technologies Accelerated Bridge Construction University Transportation Center at Florida International University. The ABC Project Database consists of a sampling of completed bridge construction projects across the U.S. that include various types of accelerated bridge construction. This training video focuses on how to submit a project for the ABC Project Database. Two options are available to access the ABC Project Database homepage on the IBT ABC UTC website. You can access the database homepage directly from the left vertical menu on the website homepage, or you can access the database homepage from the Resources tab in the horizontal menu. As discussed in the introduction training video, the ABC Project Database homepage provides various information on ABC Project Database. To access details on submitting a project, scroll down this page. Scrolling down the ABC Project Database homepage, you can view the project submission process. Anyone may recommend a completed ABC project for submission to the database. A two-step submission process allows individuals to submit minimal Step 1 information for approval by the ABC Project Database Steering Committee and the bridge owner representative. This first step ensures the project is appropriate for the database before the extensive Step 2 information is requested. The submitter may complete Step 1 either online or offline. Each option is described in this training. Step 2 is completed offline. The online Step 1 submission page is accessed by clicking the blue box titled Submit a New ABC Project. Clicking the blue box titled Submit a New ABC Project provides access to the online Step 1 submission fields. As you can see, the first set of fields is information on the submitter. These fields give brief contact information and the submitter's relationship to the ABC project. The total required information for the Step 1 submission is minimal. As can be seen, in addition to brief submitter information, the form requests brief contact information for the project owner representative and brief project information that identifies the project. What makes it an ABC project is briefly stated in the field titled Brief Project Summary. After completing the fields, the submitter clicks the blue box titled Submit. The form is then reviewed by the Project Database Steering Committee representative, and the submitter will be contacted if any questions arise. The database coordinator then submits the Step 1 form to the bridge owner representative for approval of the project for posting in the ABC Project Database. Upon Step 1 approval, the submitter will receive an email with attachment of the offline fillable Word template and instructions to complete the remaining fields of project information prior to returning the completed template via email. Upon Step 2 approval by the ABC Project Database Steering Committee and the bridge owner representative, the project will be posted in the open database. As previously mentioned, the submitter may alternatively download the offline fillable Word template directly from the ABC Project Database homepage, complete it for both Steps 1 and 2, and then email the completed template as directed on the database homepage. It is recommended that the submitter initially complete only the Step 1 fields for the Step 1 approval if there is any question concerning whether the bridge owner representative will approve the project for posting in the open database. Click the offline fillable Word template link on the project database homepage to access the offline form. The submitter tabs through the fields to complete the offline form. As can be seen on this screen, the first set of fields in the offline form is the submitter information as discussed for the online Step 1 form. The next set of fields is the owner information as previously discussed for the online Step 1 form. The remainder of the form concerns project information. Shown on this screen are the remaining fields for the Step 1 online submission previously discussed. As previously mentioned, it is recommended that the submitter initially complete only the fields required for the Step online Step 1 submission before requesting Step 1 approval if there is any question concerning whether the bridge owner representative will approve the project for posting in the open database. The Step 2 submission information includes several different types of input fields. Shown here are some of the drop-down menus. These drop-down menus allow completion of those fields in terminology that can be immediately posted in the database without questions. Text fields are also included throughout for unique project details, as shown for several of the entries here. As can be seen, guidance is provided for the information requested in each field. Checkboxes are provided to specify the ABC types in the project. The information provided in these checkboxes is used for searches of the database for projects with these ABC types. You'll recognize these fields as the keywords for database search that classify and describe each ABC project, as discussed in detail in the training video on how to search the database. Shown here are some of the fields for ABC structural solutions. As you'll recall from the training videos on Introduction to the Database and how to search the database, you can view all the ABC types by clicking the blue box titled Keywords for Database Search at the bottom of the ABC Project Database homepage shown here. As previously mentioned, text fields are provided throughout the fillable form to allow free-form entry of project-specific information. Again, note that guidance is provided for the types of details required for the individual fields. For the existing bridge, information may include the bridge length and width, number of spans, span configuration, skew, beam material, number and width of traffic lanes and shoulders, the year originally built, any upgrades to date, and condition that led to the replacement or upgrade. For the replacement or new bridge, information may include the location relative to the existing bridge, design details that address limitations of the existing bridge, cross-section dimensions, beam type, closure joint material, simple or continuous for live load, number and width of traffic lanes and shoulders, substructure type, and any other prefabricated elements. Description of the construction method includes details related to prefabrication and on-site construction processes, and may include additional details related to the ABC contract requirements. If no information is available for specific fields, say the stakeholder feedback or high-performance materials fields, these fields are left blank. Fields for cost and funding are available. In addition to owner and submitter contact information, the submitter is encouraged to include contact information for the bridge designer, construction contractor, precasters, material suppliers, and others involved with the project. The submitter is encouraged to include contact name, title, email address, and phone number for each of these stakeholders. As previously mentioned, throughout the form, guidance is provided for the types of details requested for the individual fields. Again, if no information is available for specific fields, these fields are left blank. Additional project resources such as photos, the ABC parts of the contract plans and specifications, the bid tabs, and other documents and links related to the project are highly encouraged. This concludes the training video on how to submit a project to the ABC Project Database. As previously mentioned, the process to submit a proposed project for the database is provided on the Project Database homepage, shown here. Also provided on this page is the database coordinator contact information for any questions the submitter may have during the process of completing the submission template. The training video titled Introduction to the Database discusses the project information included in the database. The training video titled How to Search the Database provides details on how the database can be used to find completed ABC projects that include the specific ABC types of interest. Thank you for your interest in this training.